Okay, let's try again. Here's a nicer type of box. I mean, the box doesn't look nice, but what's inside hopefully is. This one's got a nice paper. We are outside, so I'm gonna hear some noises. Here's this one. Okay, let's see what we got. It's been so long that I don't remember what it is. These are some nice socks. As usual, from China. Spandex and cotton, polyester, you know, you got the whole group there. Here's a tie. It's kind of skinny, I would say. Let's wait for this truck now. It's made by this. It's just not a good idea to film outside. Alright, so we got a tie. Socks. Here's a pocket square. Feels kind of silky. Oh yeah. And this side is just gray, but it's see-through, so you will see. Bless you. Hopefully that's not Corona. It's pretty. It's nice, sturdy material. And it comes with a little guide for those who don't know how to put in your pocket. And here's something, I don't remember what it is. I'm into the gym, so my muscles are a little weak. Okay, it is, it's a travel pouch. With a little handle, you can hang it on the door of a hotel or whatever you're traveling to. Just simple pouch. It's got also a front pocket for smaller things. Nice. Keep talking. Ooh, and here's a male geared hydration mask. So you can be ready for your big day, wherever you're traveling to. With instructions, of course. It's nice. It's designed in Switzerland, but it's made in Korea. Okay. Some birds. And then we have more little cards. This one, $100, and another wine card. And I was taking those wine cards. Alright, so that was pretty good. We have a tie, socks, pocket square, mask, and a pouch, and 2 gift cards. Guess I didn't say my ending. Do widzenia.